Yeah. I'm here. I'm signing in on y'all. Yeah. So what's up? Let's just get right down to it. Today we're gonna talk about how to make it on YouTube. Okay, how to make it on YouTube, and a lot of a lot of people got a lazy brain, and that's like whatever they want to do, they want to hear a easy way to do it. When all along there ain't no easy way, but they want to hear the easy way. And that's the only time if this conversation ain't starting off like what they wanted, they'll turn the channel. Kind of like you watching a movie. If the movie ain't starting off like how you like it, you turn the channel. But anyway, my channel is all about positive truth. The hard, no, dirty truth. And you know what I'm saying? Like, man, you know what I'm saying? People, when you got the truth, the devil stay away from the truth. Now you can look at my views and clicks. I probably have one view or maybe two views on my videos. And in a minute we're gonna get to that, and I'm gonna tell you why. But at the end of the day, you got a lot of people that's on YouTube trying to start their channel, trying to start they starting out, but you just like me, you can't get no clicks and views. Okay, at the end of the day, the devil, YouTube is the devil. Okay, in order to make it on YouTube, you got to be doing something dangerous. You got to be doing something to kill yourself. If you're doing something like that, oh yeah, YouTube will quickly let your videos be shown. They'll let your videos be shown. Oh yeah, you can make some money for us. You can make some money for you doing something dangerous. You taking steroids, something that's gonna kill you. We'll let you. Oh, we'll blow you up. You be big on YouTube. You be big on YouTube. But at the end of the day, it's like, hey, why I got to do something to kill myself in order to get clicks and views? Hey, my channel, like I say, always remember this, people. It's like, hey, if I can just reach one person with my conversations that I do on my channel, I'm good. If I can just reach one person, why reach 1 million people? Why try to reach 1 million people when you can't reach one? So start off, reach that one person first. Because like I say, if you can't reach one, how you gonna reach 1 million people? How you gonna reach thousands of clicks and views if you can't reach one? So my job is to try to reach one, at least one. But yeah, this the whole thing, let's say, I'm gonna explain something to you. There's a lot of people like me. I say you do your videos, but you wonder why, man. It's like, man, I do my video and I ain't getting no clicks. Man, ain't nobody viewed my video. Let me tell you something. That's YouTube. They hide your videos. They hide your videos so that no one sees your videos. They want you to keep doing a bunch of videos. Hopefully you can get out there and somebody can recognize you, and hey, then they can make some money off of you. The more videos you got, the more money YouTube made. But you got to do a lot just to get known. You got to do a lot of videos just to get known. But yeah, they hide your videos. And I'm going to explain something to you, and maybe this might make sense to you. I would say 75% of the whole world is on YouTube. 75% of the whole world watches YouTube and on YouTube. So let's say you do a video. Okay? You call your video how to boil eggs. Okay? Out of 75% of people in the whole world, you telling me ain't nobody clicked on my video. You telling me that 75% of the whole world, that's a whole lot of people. And they on YouTube. So you telling me 75% of the whole world ain't nobody clicked on my video. Ain't nobody typed in YouTube how to boil eggs. Out of 75%. Now if that don't make sense to you, you just a dummy and you're never gonna get it. I just gave you the blueprint right there about YouTube. They hide your videos, bro. And like I say, YouTube is the devil and they want you to kill yourself. They want you to do something dangerous. You know, you go out here and shoot steroids in you. Oh, they'll hurry up and show your video then. Oh boy, you blow up then. But all along, look what you're doing. You're doing something that's gonna kill you. You know, you climb a skyscraper building. Oh, they'll hurry up, put you on there. They're waiting on the day that you fall. You know, they'll blow you up then. As long as you're doing something dangerous, YouTube will blow you up. But when you're doing something positive and telling the truth, you're irrelevant to YouTube. No, you got your videos up there. They be up there for months and don't even get no views. Which, like I say, they hide your videos. Cause ain't no way that many people are on YouTube and ain't nobody viewed your video. There ain't no way possible that can happen. You can stumble, you can accidentally sneeze and stumble up on somebody's video. So you ain't telling me, you name your video how to make eggs with a golden cup. Do you know out of 75% of people in the world, which is on YouTube, do you know 25% of them people gonna click on your video anyway just to be curious? 25% of them people gonna click on it anyway just to see what this guy talking about. You know? That's just like you can put a door in a mall and say, hey, it's a bomb in this door. If you go in this door, it's a bomb in here. Do you know 25% of the people in the world will open that door to go in there anyway? Just being curious. That's just what kind of world you live in. Now you got a bomb is written on there. You got 25% of the people in the world, they'll go in there anyway to see. So that's just going to show that 25% of the whole world that is curious about anything, why that same 25% of the world won't click on your video just to see what it's about. They might don't even stay there 3 minutes, but at least they clicked on it. But when you got a video and ain't nobody clicked on it, no views, that's YouTube hiding your videos. They hide your videos. Oh, you ain't doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing to kill yourself. We want people to do stuff dangerous. You got these predator catchers. They go out here doing dangerous things. That's dangerous doing that job. You might run up on somebody and they might say to themselves, they might already be waiting on you. They might already be saying to themselves, I'm gonna get caught one day by these predator catchers, but when they catch me, I know my life is over. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kill them and I'm gonna kill myself. That's dangerous. You don't know what predator might think like that one day. Now you done got caught chasing predators. You got killed chasing predators. And the day that happened right there, that's when the day that predator crap gonna come to an end. Catching predator, that's gonna come to an end. And what they gonna tell you, if you want to continue doing this, you need your information that you got, you need to turn it over to law enforcement and let them do their job. But this business where you going out, interviewing these people and confronting these people on your own, that's gonna be over with. And like I say, it ain't gonna last that much more long. I hope nobody don't get killed. But if it even come close to somebody getting killed, they gonna put a stop to it. And like I say, they better rack up all the money they can now, because like I say, it's good money in it. Them cats making almost $28,000 to $25,000 a month doing that. And like I say, they drive 18, 13 hours a day going from city to city catching predators. Ain't no way somebody would drive that many hours every day and if you ain't no good money in it. They wouldn't be doing that if ain't no good money in it. But like I say, they doing something dangerous. So, oh yeah, YouTube will hurt. YouTube will blow them up. YouTube will let you make all kind of money. Because see, at the end of the day, they making money off you too. But don't let nobody tell you, oh, well, your content, you need to do better content. Better content, what you call better content is me doing something to kill myself. That's what you call better content. Better content is what you call me climbing up on a building and jumping off without a parachute. That's what you call better content. That's what you call doing something. Oh, YouTube, I can blow up on that if I live. Oh, I blow up on YouTube right there, man. Yeah, you doing something stupid. You doing something crazy. You doing something to kill yourself. As long as you doing something, doing one of them three things, oh, you can blow up on YouTube. But when you smart and not gonna let money get you killed, it's okay. I'm all right down here at the bottom. I'm just gonna keep telling the truth, and maybe I can reach one person. If I can reach one person, that's satisfied to me. Like I say, if I can't reach one, how am I gonna reach 1,000 people? So let me focus on reaching that one person that view my channel and understands and get it what I'm talking about. But yeah. That's the sign of it, man. Yeah, YouTube hides your video. So just in case you people didn't know and you wonder why your video don't never get showed, why you why you look at your videos and you say, darn, man, I ain't got no views. Why my video been up here a whole month and a half and I ain't even got no views? Come on, man. That's impossible. Out of all the people on YouTube, that's impossible for your video to be up there that long and ain't nobody clicked on it. That's a dead giveaway right there. That's a dead giveaway. Anybody that made it out of the first grade should be able to see what I'm explaining to you right now. Out of all the people on YouTube, you're not telling me ain't nobody seen your video. Come on, man. No, YouTube hides your video. So just letting y'all people know, if you just getting on YouTube and like me, and you doing videos and you're not getting no views, that's because YouTube hiding your videos. They hide your videos and try to make you think, oh, well, you need to do other stuff to get your videos viewed, or you need to do this and that. Come on, man. Come on, man. Be real. Dude in a mask, everybody want to see what he talking about. Just because I got a mask on, everybody want to see what I'm talking about. But no, YouTube hide my videos. They hide them. Dirty, like I say, it's an organization that's the devil, and they ran by the devil. And they say they want you to do something to kill yourself, do something dangerous, and then we'll let your video get showed then. So now you know why your videos don't get showed when you do them, people. Now you know why you don't get no clicks and views. And to try to make it look like it's not obvious, every once in a while they'll let you get 3 or 4 views. But I'm him signing out.